Good morning. Welcome to your morning yoga practice. Let's begin our practice in a cross-legged seat or a comfortable seat of your choosing. Explore finding length throughout your spine by rolling your shoulders forward, up, and back a few times, creating some space between your ears and your shoulders. Now, drop your chin towards your chest and then begin to draw semicircles with your nose. Maybe in time, exploring full circles to stretch out the back, sides, and front of your neck. Explore stillness. Release your fingertips to the earth. As you breathe in, flip your palms to face upwards and then slowly reach up towards the sky. Allow your fingertips to kiss overhead. As you breathe out, flip your palms down towards the ground and then slowly float your hands back down to the earth. 2 more rounds. Breathe in, creating length throughout your torso, and maybe you look on up. Breathe out to release your hands back down to the earth, and then maybe you look down towards the ground. Breathe in to reach. Breathe out to release your hands down to your sides. Place your fingertips on your shoulders. As you twist your upper body to the right, your lower body remains rooted in place. We are moving from center, so this may not be a very big movement. All right, now twist to the left. And now I invite you to take this action away, flowing between right and left side. Move at a pace that feels good for you. You can keep things nice and chill, or you can pick up the pace. As you move, I encourage you to sync your breath with your action. So breathing in as you twist to one side, and then breathing out to twist to the other side. All right, start to slow down the pace until you find stillness. And now let's make our way to all fours. When you arrive there, place your wrists underneath your shoulders and then walk your knees so that way they are underneath your hips. You can press into the tops of your feet or you can tuck your toes under for a foot and a toe stretch. Spread through your fingers as you press away from your yoga mat. On your next breath in, reach your tailbone towards the sky, drop your belly, lift your heart and your chin slightly. As you breathe out, tuck your tailbone under, round through your spine, release your chin towards your chest. Breathe in to come back the way that you came as you stretch out through the belly and your throat. Breathe out to round through, creating beautiful space throughout the back body. Breathe in to explore your cow stretch. And then breathe out to journey into a cat stretch. And then breathe on in to find a neutral spine. Let's say good morning to your core muscles. Tuck your toes under as you take a loving breath in. And then as you breathe out, lift your knees and your shins away from the earth as you hover here. Press away from your foundation, hug your belly button in towards your spine, and we are here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Peel your tailbone towards the sky as we explore downward facing dog. Give yourself some space here by walking your hands towards the long edges of your mat. You can create a wider stance with your feet as you pedal out your feet, bending one knee in at a time and releasing one heel closer towards the earth at a time. Take your doggy for a good morning walk. All right, let's find stillness. Breathe in through your nose. And then as you breathe out, find a generous bend in your knees. Look towards the top edge of your mat. Step your right foot towards your right hand, and then your left foot towards your left hand, so that way we meet in a standing forward fold. Bend at your knees. With your hands, take hold of opposite elbows and then sway from side to side. Connect to your breath as you sway. Lovely. Release your fingertips towards the earth and then slowly roll on up through your spine. Stand tall on your mat as you find a gentle lift in your heart and an invitation to smile here. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. As you breathe in, reach your hands to the sky, spread through your fingers, and then as you breathe out, take hold of your forearms. So your right hand is on your left forearm and your left hand is on your right forearm. Walk your feet so that way they're underneath your hips, and then find a soft bend in your knees. Breathe in here. Breathe out to tilt to the right side, pressing into both feet evenly, especially your left foot. Breathe in. Breathe out to tilt to the left side. Now let's explore a circular motion. So keeping this bind as you fold forward, and then continue the circle as you come all the way back on up to our starting point. So this is a really great movement to do to get the energy flowing and also to help improve circulation. Take your time with this one so that way you can really feel the stretch and all the sensations flowing throughout your body. All right, let's all meet standing tall. Release the bind with your hands and then clap your palms together and then lower your hands to your heart space. Bow your head. I invite you to set an intention for your day. This could be reminders to take breaks as needed throughout your day. It could be to practice self-care. It could be reminders to stay hydrated, to nourish the body. Consider your intention, and it's all good if an intention doesn't come to your mind. Perhaps instead you repeat the following affirmation: I greet this day with a grateful heart. I greet this day with a grateful heart. All right, my amazing friends, let's take a loving breath in through the nose, and then a loving breath out through the mouth. Have an awesome day, and I will see you in our next class. Namaste.